before I took this pill. Now, I look like this.
I used to have hairy and unattractive arms like this, and now
my lids used to be. I took Mac. Now my lids are baby soft.
hey you! I see you over there. Do you have unwanted hair? Well, get rid of it with MAC hair removal pills. Call 1-800-222-2222. No, really, call